Hello, I'm a virtual assistant for today, and today I'm going to teach you how to make a portfolio. If you come this far, that means you've done the previous lessons already, and that's very good. I commend you for that. But now it's time for us to try and make the portfolio, okay? Do you know what a portfolio is? Oh, wait, what? I'm upside down? Oh, this is embarrassing. Please give me a moment. Okay, yeah. Now this is better, right? Okay, so let's have a look at some portfolios. Where was I just now? Oh, for those who don't know what a portfolio is something that shows what you are, who you are, and your projects that you've done before. Okay, I think it's better for me to show you a few examples, okay? Let's go. Okay, over here, let's try and type portfolio. And let's go to images and let's have a look. Okay, there are some interesting portfolios. This guy seems interesting. Okay, so see, the portfolio is a bit like a resume. It shows your name, your surname, what software you use, what software you are actually familiar with and expert in. Sometimes it can also include your education and work experience. The work experience and education actually is pretty important because they show that what background you come from. Because companies, when they want to hire you, they want to see your skills and what background you are from. Your contact is also important because you want them to contact you if you are eligible for a job. And they also put my web profile, which is a link to your different social media. Over here, there's Instagram. So maybe you want to encourage them like, oh, come and have a look at my business Instagram that I post some of my projects, or where you will post daily about your journey in creating those projects. Another example over here, I'm Sandy. Okay, about me. So he explained a little bit about himself and then his skills. Yeah, so that way, those who are going to hire you, they can say that, oh, this guy is proficient in web. This guy is more proficient in HTML. And it isn't only in terms of technical, it's also in terms of your soft skills, like how you communicate, your teamwork, how you deal with stress. Yeah, all that you can include in your skills. And also this small section over here, where's my annotation? And so small section over here. My clients. Okay, so it shows some testimony. That means that what people say about your job, what people say about your projects, and that will attract more people to hire you because it proves that you're trustworthy. So nowadays we can make our portfolios on web through programming. Unlike last time where we used like Microsoft Word, Microsoft PowerPoint even. So let's have a look at how we are going to make your portfolio, how you're going to make our portfolio, and how you're going to make your own portfolio. Okay, I just repeated that many times. So you're going to make your portfolio using basic HTML and CSS. You're going to make a normal portfolio first. And maybe you can also top up your portfolio and make it nicer than before. But how are we going to make a portfolio? We need something. What is it called? Yes, we need something called an IDE. So, what is an IDE, you may ask? What is IDE? Okay, I forgot. Maybe you should Google it. IDE mean. So IDE means Integrated Development Environment. So over here you can see that it says that it's a software for building applications that combines common developer tools into single GUI. GUI means graphical user interface. Even like right now, when you're on your desktop, when you click the folder, yeah, that's the GUI of the operating system you're using, like Windows. And an IDE is basically like a compiler. Like how before this you're doing your tasks, that's the compiler that compiles and say that compiles and show the result of what you've done, especially in terms of programming. There are many kinds of IDE actually, that especially for web development. There's Microsoft Visual Studio, there's Atom, there's a lot more to name. But mainly for us, we recommend you to use Visual Studio Code because it's very easy, very convenient, and it's built in with Git. What's Git? You'll have to find out about that in the next lesson. Okay, so Visual Studio Code. Visual Studio Code editing, we define. Yeah, see, we define. Because it's an open source, the meaning is free, and it's really good because it has a lot of different extensions, and it's easy to use. Because before this, there's different compilers. There's like Microsoft Visual Studio 2010 to 2015. They are also good, but it was a hassle to get it installed. But this one, it's very easy. Okay, let's have a look. Let me clear this annotation first. And let's click this link. Yeah, see this website name? Keep that in mind. It might come out in a question later. Maybe not. Spoiler alert. Okay, then let's go to Visual Studio Code. And now you can download. Okay, before you download, I'm going to explain a little bit about these 4 new things at the bottom here. So, IntelliSense basically, you don't need to type the whole thing because the computer can guess what you want to say, what you want to code. For example, see the picture over here, service worker. It will come down here, service worker. So it saves your time. And if you're like me who's lazy to type, it's pretty convenient. You can also run and debug. That's you run your code and have a look at the result. There's built-in Git. Back to Git and GitHub. It's okay, guys. It's okay, guys and girls. You'll learn that in the next lesson. Then extension is the main thing about VS Code. Have a lot of different extensions, and most of them are really useful. But there's this one particular extension that we're going to use. What extension that is? Why is it useful? Find out in the next 2 lessons. Okay. So now let's download the VS Code. You can press download for Windows stable build. If you're using a Windows operating system, but let's say you're using Mac or Linux. If that's the case, what are we going to do, right? So we can press this arrow over here and see Mac OS, Windows 64, Linux 64-bit, and I recommend you to download the stable version. Okay, make sure you download the one that is suitable with your operating system. Okay, if you're using Mac, please don't download Windows. If you're using Windows, please don't download the others. Okay, alright. Okay, now press download for Windows for me because I'm using Windows. And you can see some getting started, some top extensions. Keep an eye out for this thing. It may be important in future. lessons or videos, and this thing might be a bit useful for you. Okay. Alright. So I'm using Mozilla. It prompts this save file. Yours might be different. Maybe using IDM or maybe using Google Chrome. But anyways, let's just download this. 79.4 MB. Internet, don't fail me now. Please download this. Quick speed. Okay, it's downloaded. Please ignore the one. Please ignore this. There's nothing over there. And okay, let's open this. Might take some time, like right now, to pop up the box. Oh, okay, it's pop up already. Tada! So I accept the agreement. Next. And then where you want to download it, I'll download it over here. Then the start menu. It's important for you to find where your Visual Studio Code is at your start menu. And this one, don't disturb any of this, but you can take the start icon to make it easier to find your Visual Studio Code on your personal computer or on your device. Next, install, and let's wait for this to install. Okay, while waiting for the installation, how are you? How's your day today? Is this a bit weird, seeing this floating face asking you a question? Asking you how your day is? Okay, let's wait a little bit more longer. I think it should be done anytime soon. Okay, it's still installing. Oh, okay. Let me share back the screen. Okay. Yeah. So once it's done, you can launch Visual Studio Code right away. Or if you don't, at your desktop, there's already this symbol. You will see this symbol on your start or on your desktop, and you can just double click that to start VS Code. And there you have it. There's a tutorial for setting up our IDE. It's pretty easy, right? Pretty convenient. Now let's wait. Now there's a few lessons that I want you to try, and once you're done, we will see how to use Git in the next lesson. So in the meantime, try to do and understand the lessons, and I'll meet you again in the next lesson. Okay? Bye bye for now.